Hello and welcome. Today we have a peculiar little lock. I guess the packaging is more interesting than the lock itself. I got this one in, can you guess where? In Portugal. So I think the lock itself doesn't say anything about Portugal though. Cold door, and at least the keys are made in China. So I presume the lock itself is also made in China. Seem to have a little zip opening here. Oh, it's not even sealed. Oh, this is awkward. I was gonna cut it open with this Saxbolaget, the scissor company scissors. And but no, you'll have to take my word on it that this is a completely unmeddled run. I hope you trust me. Let's see. Tiny little lock, kind of sharp. I don't think it offers any kind of secure. Oh, this is such a wide gap. I think we could shim this quite easily. See this gap there. I don't have any shims, but we could make some and try them out in some video. Let's see. I think we're gonna need a little small, tiny tensioner. Perhaps one of these. I don't get to use them very often. Oh, seems to work alright. Oh, it fell off. The core is already turning a bit. If we take this one, the other one, then perhaps we can have a little more leverage against now. Yeah, I think we can tension it like this. No, we can't. What else do we have? We have a Viper blade insert. Could this be used? Yeah, I think that would work. And then we'll presume we're gonna need a little tiny hook. See how much the core is turning already. And get it in there. Yeah, Portugal was nice. Didn't have very many locks though. I think I have been talking about this previously, but usually when I go somewhere I see if I can get any local locks, but this is really tiny. I'm gonna have to give this one a pass just because the key is so small. Alright, let's try something different then. I'll go with my slightly thicker pick. Just insert it like this and see if we can turn the core just by... Yeah, we could. When you can't tension, just skip that step, I guess. Came out quite easily. Insert it like this and then turn it. We can do that again, yeah, we could. Doesn't seem to be such a crazy cut on the key either. Let's see if the key works. This is Portugal. I wonder how many other companies, countries that have these. These little bags. Is it something you recognize? What's that, for instance? I don't think it has anything to do with the symbol on the lock. No made in of any kind. Nothing. Alright. I guess this colddoor Portuguese lock from China is not too surprising, I guess. So, how have you been doing? We don't have much of a quarantine here in Sweden. We are mitigating the spread, and something that I read in international news is considered quite lax. People are moving about, but way less than usual. We wash our hands and we work from home. Schools and daycare centers open, even though higher education is performed on distance. So I could quite easily sit in the garden, but I am concerned that the small picks will fall through the cracks in the floor we have out there. Well, thanks for joining me. See you later. Thank you and goodbye.